Okay, so I started working on the beamer here. Got some inspiration from old Weirdbeard to do my headliner. This thing is all... This one's pretty bad though. All the way up to there. So as you can tell, yeah, I've already started on it. Got the seats out, but I got the B and C pillars out. And then, yeah. Okay, so after all that struggle, guys, we finally got it out. Kind of broke it in a lot of spots. Alright, so we got the last one out now. Came out so much easier than the other side, just fell right out pretty much. So yeah, I don't know how to cut. Oh, okay. That's pretty easy actually. Got it off. Awesome. I don't know which door to go out of now. So we got all the old headliner off of it now. The next thing we got to do is get all this glue off. And as you tell, it just comes right off with your fingers like that. So what we're going to do is get a little brush or a wire brush and try and take off everything, all the glue, and apply the new fabric. Alright, so we came back. I got me some new headliner. It's the one with the foam on the back of it, you know. So the glue will actually stick to that and this. The headliner I got before that wouldn't work, so we're gonna go with this. I thought I'd go with the lot here so I could have a little bit of wiggle room, about like a foot on each side. Now I guess that's a lot of wiggle room. Alright, so I'm gonna roll it out now and see how long it is. See how much I actually got here. That's gonna look good.
Yeah, you definitely got more than enough.
Yep.
This will be easy. We'll be able to get this all in here.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're especially gonna cut that out.
Yeah.
What the hell is it? Okay, good thing. See like that right there. See the wiggle room?
Oh, yeah, wow.
The wiggle room.
Well, that's cool because that's way over the edge. So,
about like a foot
yeah,
on.
we'll just keep that in mind when we stick this on here. Let's get your glue sprayed on. What, do you want to start at the back?
Yeah, that's what I tried to do last time. Started right there.
Yeah, we'll spray this whole back half, lay it out, and then do the front half separate.
Yeah. Alright, so this is all the glue I got right here. And probably gonna have to use about 2 cans for all of this, right?
Yeah, that's what I would put 2 coats on it, just to be on the safe side.
Alright, so I'm gonna spray half of this thing now. Probably should I wait for like right here? Probably just spray the middle first. So if y'all wondering, it's my first time doing this, so
it's all right.
it's a learning experience.
Yeah, I would start like right there and back and just do this whole area, and then we'll roll this back over on it. All right. Flatten it out from the middle out to the edges.
All right, so
and you got a ton of extra material hanging over the sides. You should be fine.
So.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, put it on there nice and even. There you go. Just like that.
How do you know when it's enough?
You just want it nice and even, just like you're doing. You're doing it just fine. Just keep doing that. All right.
That's probably about right there. That's as far as I want to go.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so it's getting pretty sticky now. So like the touch.
Yeah, that's what you want. Just let it set a couple more minutes and then we'll hit it a second time.
Yeah, because I want it to be like a solid white, not like a splotchy white.
Yeah, I hear you. Second coat.
Second coat.
Good job. That's good. That's good. You don't want it too heavy. Too heavy is not good either.
Good enough?
Yep. That's what you want.
That looks cool when it comes out too. I think it'd be cool to put gray on the door panels too. But I don't know, I think I might just do the black with it.
All right, here we go. Let's try it. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Let's kind of start in the middle here. There you go.
You got this.
You want to roll it from the middle out. Don't let your sides get stuck first. Yeah, see? That's why I'm over kind of holding my side up. If you stick your sides first, then you'll have this big, deep crevice here that you'll have to try to stretch. The more you stretch it, the less it wants to stick. Oh, so far so good. Get your lip around there. That's where it goes down in your sunroof.
All right. So now we gotta flip this up.
Yep, and we'll just pick up where we left off.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we spray this section, and we're just going section by section. That way you're not working this big 6-foot thing all by itself, you know, all at the same time. Rolling her on out.
Alright, we're gonna flip it over and do the other side now. Alright, so we're just gonna pick up where we left off and we're gonna glue this side now. Where's my glue at?
Look, Matthew, roll it out from the back to the front. Get down in that area.
Man, these were pretty good at first.
Oh, they're working. Look like they're working to me. Just go right straight to.
No.
Oh, you're killing me.
gonna spray some glue on the back so we can fold these edges over.
And this is what it'll look like when it's done.
Alright, so we got everything all glued around the edges now. And I don't think it's going to be coming loose from any of these edges. Thank you.
Let's let it set up for the rest of the day and then we'll put it in. What do you think?
I like it.
Everything's all cut out. You rolled over all your edges nice.
I like it.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Nothing else we can do but just wait a little bit and then we'll put it back in.
Yep. That's about it.
Good job, man.
I think it's going to look good.
Yeah, I think so.
Better than the flappy crap.
Yeah, it was in bad shape, huh?
Yeah. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. Decided to go black with everything. Okay, so I decided to go with black. I mean, gray looked good and all, but this black would probably go a lot better with everything on the inside of it, like with the seats and door panels and all. And y'all just drop a comment down below what y'all think, if the gray looked better and or the black looked better. Y'all drop a comment below. And there's a bunch of white bugs on this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this thing in the car. I mean, any lights in there. I guess when the back is lights in.
Oh, okay. You need me to help do that part?
Maybe.
All right, I'll get one side, you get the other.
These screws right
okay.
there. I mean, these things are tiny.
Oh, okay. You need me at?
Oh yeah, that looks really nice.
Yeah, it does. Where do you need me at? Up at the front?
I can't find the little grooves. Yeah, up here. Back here.
Okay, where do you need me at?
Just hold the front.
Hold the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta find these little grooves.
That looks so good. I like it.
I can see.
All right, come give me one on this side so I can let go. Oh my God, my arm didn't fell asleep.
Yep.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, letting go.
Get out of there. And then I'll just line up perfectly.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Let's turn it up in here. Yeah, that's it. I can't.
When you squished it, the light went off.
Oh wait, I missed a clip right here.
Oh.
Let me see that light. There we go. Butter.
Now I just gotta get these bad boys and
Yeah, that
ready to go.
package, the whole package tray needs to be next for sure.
Okay, so this basically is bro. We got a little mishap.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna fit over there.
Oh, yeah, we can make it fit, but everything.
All right, take two.
Wait, why is this one even worse?
What the hell? All
Yeah,
right.
it's like that USB.
All right, take three. You sure this right this time?
It has to be.
Okay. Yeah. Let's get this seat in there.
Flip it down. Oh, dude, you soaked my hand. So I've gone through and painted all the handles black. Even the sunroof little cover thing. Boom. This way. Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, everyone. I hope y'all liked it. Yeah, I know. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, everyone. I hope y'all liked everything I did. I hope y'all liked the headliner. I know it's probably a boring process, but man, it was one thing I had to do. So y'all please like, share, and subscribe. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I hope y'all follow me on that too. Peace. I don't know.